Hey people, so this is we've come to a place known as the chocolate factory, the Karkhana, and Ayush, keep walking, Raja. So this is it's called Manam. Looks really cute. I'm so glad I'm here. And for instance, we have to choose what we want, and then oh, see it being made. Ayush, can you see this being made? It's like a chocolate wheel or something. Come. Yes, it smells good, right? Are you sure these are things that you could try probably? Toppings? Are you sure? Let's explore.
Yeah, I'll pay the bill.
Chiku, let's explore. Oh man, try this. This is a chocolate tap. Here, Ayush, try it. Chocolate. Yeah. Yeah.
You want to taste it?
Yeah, that's right. Like that's what my let him taste it. How is it, Ayush?
What do you suggest with it?
Chocolate tap. It's just so amazing, really.